Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 1, Basic Concept of Chemistry and Chemical Equation Calculations. In this video, we are going to discuss the 1 mark question 6 to 10 under Unit 1. Question number 6 is, the number of water molecules in a drop of water weighing 0.018 gram is A 6.022 into 10 power 26, B 6.022 into 10 power 23, C 6.022 into 10 power 20, D 9.9 into 10 power 22. How to determine the answer? Weight of water drop equal to given is 0.018 gram. That can be easily written as, for easy cancellation, 18 into 10 power minus 3 gram. Number of moles of water in the drop, mass of water divided by molar mass of water. Mass of water given is 18 into 10 power minus 3. Molar mass of water, how to find out? Water molecule H2O, it contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, 2 into hydrogen atomic mass 1, 1 into oxygen 16, that is equal to 18. Molar mass equal to 18. 18 get cancelled, therefore 10 power minus 3 mole is the number of moles of water in the drop. We know the Avogadro number of water molecule present in 1 mole of water equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. Number of water molecule in 1 drop of water, that is equal to, 1 drop means 10 power minus 3 mole of water equal to cross multiplication divided by this 1. 1 mole of water, 10 power minus 3 mole of water. When I multiply this 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power 23, 10 power minus 3 becomes 10 power 20. So, what is the answer? 6.022 into 10 power 20 is the answer. Answer is C, 6.022 into 10 power 20. Come to the question number 7. 1 gram of an impure sample of magnesium carbonate containing no thermally decomposable impurities on complete thermal decomposition gave 0.44 gram of carbon dioxide gas. The percentage of impurity in the sample is 0%, 4.4%, 16%, 8.4%. Magnesium carbonate on heating liberate carbon dioxide, leaving oxygen with magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Molar mass of magnesium carbonate, it contains 1 magnesium, 1 carbon plus how many oxygen? 3 oxygen, that is equal to 1 into magnesium atomic mass 24 plus 1 into carbon atomic mass 12 plus 3 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to totally 84 gram is the molar mass of carbonate gram mole power minus 1. Molar mass of carbon dioxide contain 1 carbon and 2 oxygen equal to 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16, that is equal to 44 gram is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. In our question, it is given as 1 gram of magnesium carbonate on heating gives 0.44 gram of carbon dioxide. Therefore, 84 gram of magnesium carbonate sample on heating gives cross multiple divided by this one. When you cross multiple, 84 into 0.44 divided by 1. That is equal to, when we multiply these two, you will get 36.96 gram of carbon dioxide. Percentage of purity of the sample. If we find out purity, we can easily find out impurity. Percentage purity of the sample, that is equal to weight of carbon dioxide 36.96 divided by molecular mass of carbon dioxide 44 into 100. We can easily cancel this one. 11th table, 4 11s are 42, 44 In 36, 3 11s are 33, remaining 3 39, 3 11s are 33, remaining 6 66, 6 11s are 66. And when you multiply, again 1 4 is 4, 8 4s are 32, remaining 1 16, 4. 0.84 into 100, that is equal to 84 percentage. This is percentage of purity. Our question is percentage of impurity. 100 percentage, 100 minus 84, when you subtract these two, you will get 16 percentage is the percentage of impurity present in the sample. So, what is the answer? C is the answer, 16 percentage. Come to question number 8, one word question number 8. When 6.3 gram of sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is added to 30 gram of acetic acid, ethanoic acid, CH3COOH solution, the residual solution is found to weigh 33 gram. The number of moles of carbon dioxide released in the reaction is 3, 0.75, 0.075, 0.3. First, now write the equation. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. Sodium is alkali metal, oxidation state +1, bicarbonate -1. When you write in class, that one is here, this one is there. When treated with acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetate ion and H plus ion, we know plus always combine with the minus. This plus combine with this minus, that is acetate minus, H plus combine with the HCO3 minus, or carbon dioxide H2O water molecule is removed. Acetate, sodium acetate, CH3COONA plus, from carbonate, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Remaining one oxygen, H2O water molecule is also removed. In our problem, the given value is 6.3 gram of sodium bicarbonate react with 30 gram of acetic acid gives totally 33 gram of the product. Water, carbon dioxide gas is escaped. Therefore, mass of sodium acetate and water is 33 gram. This compound is escaped. Mass of this is 33 gram. We know in a chemical reaction, the total mass of the product must be equal to total mass of the reactor. When you add these two, we will get 30 plus 6.3, 36.3 gram. And in the right hand side, these two are 33, carbon dioxide mass X. So, here 36.3, here we have 33, remaining the mass of carbon dioxide is 3.3 gram. Totally 36.3 gram. Mass of carbon dioxide is 3.3 gram. Number of moles released, mass by molar mass. Mass of carbon dioxide is 3.3. We know molecular mass of carbon dioxide 44. 11th table. 4 11s are 44. 3 11s are 11. 3 by 4 equal to 0.75. Here you have 1 point, therefore 0.075. It is the answer. That answer is C. So, answer for 8th question is C, 0.075. Question number 9. When 22.4 liters of H2 is mixed with 11.2, half of this value, liters of chlorine, each at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm, the moles of HCl formed is equal to 2 moles of HCl, 0.5 moles of HCl, 1.5 moles of HCl and 1 mole of HCl. Hydrogen react with chlorine gives 2 molecules of HCl balance equation. In this equation, the stoichiometric coefficient is 1, 1, 2, H2 1, chlorine 1 and HCl stoichiometric coefficient is 2. Number of moles of reactant allowed to react at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure. Hydrogen, the percentage given is 22.4 liter and chlorine is 11.2 liter. This is equal to 0.5 mole. If 22.4 liter equal to 1 mole, half of this value means 0.5 mole. Half of this value, 0.5 mole. Now, number of moles of reactant, reacted and product formed. All the H2 undergo reaction, only 0.5 mole of 1 equal to 0.5 means 0.5 mole of HCl undergo reaction, 0.5 mole of chlorine undergo reaction. Amount of HCl formed 2 into 0.5. 2 into 0.5 equal to 1 mole of HCl is formed. The answer is D, 1 mole of HCl is formed. Come to one more question number 10. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is moderately strong oxidizing agent. Which of the following reaction does not show oxidation behavior? So, in the first equation, copper when treated with a hot concentrated sulfuric acid, from 0 oxidation state, copper is converted into 2 plus. When you move from left to right, oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. And in sulfuric acid, sulfur is in plus 6 oxidation state is reduced into plus 4 oxidation state in sulfur dioxide. This is called reduction. Decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. The B equation given is carbon plus sulfuric acid gives carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and water. Element in free state, oxidation state is 0. In carbon dioxide, carbon is in plus 4 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. In sulfuric acid, sulfur is in plus 6 oxidation state is reduced into plus 4. Decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. So, here also oxidation and reduction takes place. Barium chloride plus sulfuric acid gives barium sulfate plus HCl. Barium oxidation state 2 plus in barium chloride and 2 plus in sulfur barium sulfate. There is no change in the oxidation number. Like that, sulfur in sulfuric acid plus 6, in barium sulfate, sulfate also plus 6. So, in this reaction, there is no oxidation and reduction takes place. What is our question? Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is moderately strong oxidizing agent. Which of the following reaction does not show oxidizing behavior? The C reaction does not show oxidizing behavior. Other reaction undergo oxidation and reduction. So, in this video, we have discussed a question number 6 to 10 one word question. In the next video 11 to 15 we will discuss. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.